Morning guys, back with another video, and this is a spicy one, I must say. We've made it to Powerflow Belleville. I tried to make sure I was like the earliest one here, but there's already a few cars in front of me, but we are in the queue, and yeah, it looks exactly like the YouTube videos, and Late Customs inspired me, and yo, I'm just excited, man, you know, to get a Powerflow. But yeah, we're in the queue. I'm alone, so I don't know how I'm gonna do a before and after, but I have some. I'll probably just put up some videos for before and after. But yeah. So the setup I was going for was a 50 to 57 mil, but I was like, I don't want it the 57 mil like exit, man. I wanted it like a bit bigger, man, because I'm 1.6. So I was thinking 50 to 57 mil, one box, Powerflow box, 57 mil Powerflow box, and then we can go with a 76 mil polished tailpiece. I feel like that would be, it's exactly like Shane of Late Customs. It's the exact same one. I'm gonna also tell them start the 57 mil a bit earlier than usual. Just say now I'm gonna do future upgrade, and so but I'm excited. Oh. Anyways, yeah. So the update, 50 to 57 mil with a 76 mil tailpiece polished tip. Yeah, we're gonna run the 57 mil a bit earlier than usual. If ever I want to do like future upgrades or whatever, but yeah, the cars just went up on the lift. Yeah, I'm so excited. But yeah, we'll do before and we'll do once it's done. That's not Powerflow Belleville if you didn't come to the garage and get a prime steak pie. Yeah, it was good. Yo, that pie was good. Nah, you must go to Shell Garage and get the pie if you come here. It's not the same. It was a bit warm. Maybe I was just a bit hungry, but it was good. Yeah. So yeah, they're still busy with the car, but I will post the update. Almost every car here has a Powerflow on, but this one looks good here. What's that? 76 mil. There's people probably work here. There you go. This one looks hot here. Oh. My old systems for sale, Owens. Oh, what do we have here? So guys, that's the idle in with the new Powerflow. tailpiece.